this shit for your motherfucking ass. Don't forget about the DJ Squeaky Greatest Hits Part 2. My nigga Tom Ski, Thugster, Insane and Killer Murphy gonna be dropping that shit for your motherfucking ass. But back to the main, Mr. Motherfucking Man, we gonna be doing this shit for your motherfucking ass.